Hello, good day viewers. Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, I want us to answer this question right here. So this is a question coming from logarithmic equations. So the question reads, solve the equation. So we have this question 2 plus 2 log base 2. Then in brackets we have 2x is equal to log 2. Brackets we have 2x plus 5. So we need to solve this equation by finding the possible values of x, or the possible value of x. So the first thing that we are going to do, we can notice that we have the left hand side and the right hand side. So we are going to take this 2 log 2 in brackets 2x. We are going to take it to the right hand side so that we just remain with a 2 right here. So this is what we are going to have. So we are going to rewrite this the way it is. Log 2, then we have 2x plus 5, okay, then minus, because when this comes this side, it's a positive, it's going to be a negative. 2 log 2, in brackets we have 2x, equal to, so what are we going to remain with? We remain with a 2 right here, so this is a 2. Now from this stage, what's next? So what we are going to do is, we look at this, okay, we have a 2 here, then log in base 2, then brackets we have 2x. So you agree with me that if you have something like this, from one of the properties of logs, if you have log, then you have b here, okay, then here there is a. This one can be written as log b power a. So we are going to use this property to apply it here. So this is what we are going to have. Log 2, then 2x plus 5 minus. So this 2 will become a power to this 2x. Okay, so we're going to write log 2, then brackets we have 2x raised to the power of 2. So this 2 has become a power to this, then equal to 2. I hope you are following me right here. So from here now, let's just simplify this part. So we're going to have log 2 in brackets we have 2x plus 5 minus log 2 in brackets. So in brackets we have 2x raised to the power of 2. This will be 4x squared, then equal to 2. I hope it's clear here. Now from this stage, what's next? So what's next from this stage is that we can write it as 1, okay? Because here we have log 2, okay? Log with a base of 2, as you can see. So what are we going to do? So we can do this. We can write log 2, open bracket. So here we have this. We have 2x plus 5. Now, because of the minus here, because of this minus which is right here, we know that according to the properties of logs, if you have a minus here, it means that you are dividing. So we are going to divide this with this one, which is 4x squared, like this, then equal to 2. So this is what I've applied here. Because of the minus, we have divided this, divided by this. This is what we have here. Then we equate to 2. So now from this stage, what's next? So you are going to express now this in exponential form. So to express this in exponential form, you're going to write this one that you have. We have 2x plus 5 over 4x squared equal to. So the base of the base of the log, this base of the log, it becomes the base here, as we're expressing it in exponential form. So this 2 is a 2 here. Then this 2 here becomes the power. All right, so from here, we are going to have 2x plus 5 over 4x squared is equal to 4. So you can see, we can divide this by 1, then we cross multiply. So we're going to have 4x squared is equal to 2x plus 5. Because 4x squared times 4, in fact, this will be multiplied with a 4. This 4 times this here. Then this 1 times 2x plus 5, you get the same thing here. Okay, so 4 times 4, this gives us 16x squared, okay, equal to 2x plus 5. So we can just write it like this: 16x squared. This becomes negative 2x. This becomes negative 5 equal to 0. So we have a quadratic here. So we are going to use the factorization method. So 16 times negative 5, this gives us negative 80. Then the sum will get the coefficient of this x, which is a negative 2. So we are going to come up with two numbers such that when we multiply them, we are going to get negative 80. When we add them, we are going to get negative 2. So these two numbers are negative 10 times 8 gives us negative 80. The negative 10 plus 8 gives us negative 2, which is the sum right here. So these two numbers, negative 10 and positive 8, we are going to substitute them on negative 2x here. So we'll maintain 16x squared and minus 5 will maintain. So this will maintain 16x squared. So from here, what are we going to write? So I'll write positive 8x, then negative 10x, then minus 5 equal to 0. So we can just put them in brackets so that we factorize what is common. So we have 16x squared plus 8x. So you can see that between 16 and 8, 8 is the highest common factor here. You factor out 8, okay? Then x squared and x, even x is common. You factor out 8x. So 8 into 16, it's 2. This x into x squared, it's x. Plus 8x into 8x, it's a 1. Okay? Minus. So whatever that you have here, even in these brackets, once you factorize, you must get the same things. So we have 10x minus 5. Okay? So what is common? We have 10 and a 5. The highest common factor of 10 and 5, it's 5. Open bracket. 5 into 10, it's 2x. Negative times negative, we'll get a positive. 5 into 5, it's a 1. Okay? So you can see we have same things there, equal to 0. So from here, we're just going to pick one, say 2x plus 1. Then we also pick 8x minus 5. Then we equate to 0. So from here, we can say 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, or 8x minus 5 is equal to 0. So this one we can say 2x is equal to negative 1, because this positive 1, when it goes to 0, it will be 0 minus 1, it will be negative 1. Or 8x equal to 5. Okay, 8x is equal to 5, because this negative 5 will go to where 0 is, to be 0 plus 5. Okay, it will give us a 5. So here we want to find the value of x. We can divide by 2, even this side by 2. So we can cancel this. We say x equal to negative half, or even here we divide by 8, even here by 8. So you can cancel this and this, or x equal to 5 over 8. So these are the two possible values of what? Of x. X is equal to negative half, or x is equal to 5 over 8. So thank you so much, everybody. We've come to the end of our short presentation. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye-bye.